I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Jingle bell, jingle bell goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in somewhere new, but not really. I'm still in my room in Atlanta, but I revamped my YouTube space because my background is not cutting it. But now y'all like this, let me know. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already here, you already watched this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn on post notification on so you can be notified when I post another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Oh, and thank you for 800 subscribers. We're growing. Every video I post, I'm saying thank you for this amount of subscribers. Like, I really love it. Like, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all some gifts, some Christmas gifts that you can give, that you can make and give to your friends, family, significant other, you know, whatever, out of a $5 blanket, $5 blanket. This video is going to be a part 1, and it's going to be a part 2, because if they was combined together, they would be way too long. So this is going to be part 1, and stay tuned for part 2, because I'm dropping it real soon for y'all. So before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe. Now let's just get into it. Okay, gift number 1. Okay, so now for this one, you want to take your scrunchie, glue the ends, and if you don't want to seam, you can fold the ends a little and then glue. But I feel like since it's so fluffy, you're not gonna be able to see the seam, hopefully. So all I'm gonna do is glue the edges down. You just want to keep gluing along the edges. Okay, so as you're gluing the fabric, you do not want to glue the scrunchie. So you're just gluing along the line, along the line, not gluing the scrunchie. Snap. Oh. Okay, now all you want to do is put one of the ends. You want to put glue. No, put one of the ends on the inside. And glue around. So. And once you glued everything, bam, here's the final results. Gift number 2. Okay, next I'm going to make a hat. So all you're going to do is get a hat, fold it in 2 layers again, and cut around this hat. Bam. So now you just do the same thing. Turn it inside out, and then around. And then just sew around it. Now I'm just going to sew around the hats. After everything is sewed, here is the final result. Okay, look at my lovely brother. Alright, let's say something for the camera.
Subscribe.
Gift number 3. Okay, so now going to make a headband. So all you need is a headband. Any kind will suffice. This is an old headband, probably years, 10 years old. And just gonna take some scrap fabric, like this big. Any size, honestly. No, I'm not measuring. And the only thing you need to make sure is the same length. Oop, it's about the same length. But since it's furry, you can always glue some more on it. So, I'm gonna cut. All I'm going to do is start from the end. Hope y'all can see. Start at the end, bam, put this in the middle, and glue it. Fold one side over first, and then to make this cleaner, I'm going to fold it first before I glue it. Fold it first like this so it won't be coming out, and then glue it down. So fold and then glue, and then fold it, and then fold it over. You can also always add more glue. Bam. And I'm just gonna keep doing that for the rest. Very much cute. And once you glued everything, bam, here's the final results. Gift number 4. Okay, first I'm going to start off by making a purse. So you want to either get a tote or you can just fold it however big you want it. So I want it to be like, and all I'm going to do is cut. Also going to cut out a pocket, just a square from only one layer. One pocket for the inside. Okay, this is gonna be a pocket for the outside, and then these will be a pocket for the inside. Okay, these 2 pockets are for the inside of the purse. And I'll cut out the handles later. So first, I'm gonna put the pockets to the side. All you're gonna do is turn this inside out. And pin along the ends. Then you're just gonna sew a zigzag stitch all the way down and come back. Okay, so this is how the bag looks. So, and all I did was get a pocket and pin around it already, and all I'm gonna do is sew a straight stitch right here, and then after I sew that, I want to put an inside pocket on both sides. So one right here, and then the other one over here somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, somewhere, probably right here. Okay, so I just started to make it one big pocket so I can just put it on the back. Okay, so after you have the purse sewn and the pocket sewn and all that, you need the strap. So I just cut out a piece, like a small piece of strap, and to make it easier so I don't have to sew, I'm going to like glue down the rough edges so it won't be coming off. Bam. So now all I'm going to do is fold these edges of the purse over and pin it on the inside and just sew. After everything is sewed, here is the final result.
Jingle bell,
Okay, so y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked all these pieces. I made all this from one blanket, and there's a part 2. There's a part 2 from the same blanket. Only $5 from Five Below for these gifts. These are cute. These are gifts that somebody would actually want to receive. Like somebody actually wants to receive. So if you know how to sew, you don't even have to sew. You can glue, hot glue. I underestimated this hot glue gun because I thought it was gonna be janky, but it's not janky. Like, it's really secure. So like, if you don't have no sewing machine, hot glue gun. If you don't have no sewing machine, hand sew. Like this, these some gifts that everybody could make and everybody would want. Like, yeah. So, and Five Below got all the colors. They even got camo black, which is fire for boys. So yeah, if you like this video, please comment down below and follow me on Instagram, because just follow me on Instagram. And thank you for 800 subscribers. I really, really, really appreciate it. On the road to 1K. On the road to 1K. So yeah, before we get out of this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.